So now, after creating the table, I wanna show you guys how to insert data in this table. So start off by typing insert into and the table's name, and we're specifying the columns: ID, username, email, password, values. We're opening the parentheses again, and here we are gonna specify the inputs we wanna input to the table. One for the ID, the username is, let's say, Ahmed23. The email is, we're gonna put the quotations because this is a varchar at gmail.com. The password is 123. We are gonna close the parentheses and the semicolon, and this is how you insert data into a table. So click go, and here it is, one row inserted. So if you wanna just insert multiple records into the table, I will just paste this real quick, and here we can paste more than one record into the table. We will create this one time, we will specify this for one time, and we are gonna create and we are gonna type in our records like that, separated with a comma. So I'm just gonna click go, and here it is, 5 row inserted. If we click browse, here is our records, and that's it for this video.